In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Challenge Air Conditioning Unit. Firstly, place the air conditioning unit on a firm, level surface. Ensure that there is a clear space of 50 centimeters around each side. The unit needs to be placed near a window which is close to a mains power socket. To fit the exhaust hose, slide the unit adapter into the air conditioning unit. Then, slot the hose into place on the adapter. You can now fully extend the hose and place it through a window. For maximum effect, we recommend the use of a window adapter kit. Alternatively, use the instruction manual to fit the supplied wall outlet. To fit the drain hose, unscrew the upper drain cap and remove the plug. Then, fit the drain hose and place the other end in a bowl or over a drain. You can now plug the air conditioner into a mains socket. To switch the air conditioning unit on, press the on-off button on the remote. Alternatively, you can press the power button on top of the air conditioning unit. Next, select the mode you would like to use. If you are using the fan mode, no extra parts need to be fitted. When using dry mode, attach the drain hose to the upper drain outlet and remove the exhaust hose. If you are using cool or auto mode, you'll just need to fit the exhaust hose. An arrow will show next to the setting you have selected. Use the arrows on the remote to change the temperature controls. Please note that the temperature control can only be changed when using cooling or auto mode. Finally, press the on-off button on the remote to switch the air conditioner off. For further information on how to use the Challenge Air Conditioning Unit, please check the supplied instruction manual.